Want your iPhone 17 to automatically rotate when watching YouTube, but stay locked in portrait for everything else? You can set that up using the Shortcuts app with two simple automations. Let's start by creating an automation to unlock screen rotation when YouTube opens. First, open the Shortcuts app. Then go to the Automation tab. Tap New Automation or the plus icon, then select App. Next, tap Choose. Find and select YouTube from the list of apps, then tap Done or the blue check icon. Make sure Is Opened is checked and Is Closed is unchecked. Set it to run immediately, then tap Next. Under the Get Started section, tap Set Orientation Lock. Now set it to Turn Orientation Lock Off. Just tap the label Toggle, then select Turn and tap the On label to switch it to Off. To save your automation, tap Done or the blue check icon at the top right edge. Now let's create the second automation to lock orientation when YouTube is closed. To do this, go back to the Automation tab in the Shortcuts app, then tap the plus icon again to add and create new automation. Next, select App, then tap Choose. Find and select YouTube from the list of apps, then tap Done or the blue check icon. This time, make sure Is Closed is checked and Is Opened is unchecked. Set it to run immediately, then tap Next. Under the Get Started section, search for and select Set Orientation Lock. Then set it to Turn Orientation Lock On. After that, tap Done or the blue check icon to save your automation. That's it. Now, whenever you open YouTube, your iPhone will automatically allow screen rotation, and when you close it, Orientation Lock turns back on to keep your screen in portrait mode. If you found this trick useful, give it a like and check out more tips to customize your iPhone 17 experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick tech tutorials.